In this video, I will show how you can generate my voice for free.
So for this, just go to Google and type Lavan Labs. You'll be getting the first link. Just select that, and at first you need to sign in, and here we need to select the voice that we want. For example, just click on this, and if we just play this Adam's voice,
allow the world to live as it chooses.
this voice.
You cannot find yourself by going into the past. You can find yourself by coming.
So that's the voice that I used earlier. And in case if you want to test other voices, here we are having a big list over here. You can choose whatever the voice and tone that you want to use. After selecting the voice that you want,
You cannot find yourself.
I will go with this voice over here, and you need to just add the text over here. So I'm just having a text over here. I'll just copy this and paste it. So they have like a free trial over here, so it's not like unlimited you can use, but it's still sufficient for our trial purpose. All right, and after this you can just click on generate.
Hiya. All it will be great if you could subscribe and check the playlist of my channel.
So you'll be getting the voice generated, and if you click download, it will be getting downloaded as an mp3 file. That's it. And in case if you want to explore more voices, here they're having something called as voice library, where they will be having these many voices available. So if you want to get a sample,
I'm not interested in age.
and if you just click on add to voice lab, you'll be able to use that voice in the earlier speech synthesis. That's the video, guys. I hope you would have found this video useful. Do check the playlist of my channel and subscribe me. Thanks for watching.